Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the security door wheel. Now I'm just going to show you how you can take the door out and how you can replace this wheel. As you can see right now, the wheels is broken on one side and causing the door to keep slipping down, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to zoom out. As you can see, the wheel is broken, so we need to take this wheel out. But first we need to take the door out, so I'm going to put the door back on and then I want to show you how you take it out. Okay, so now that the door is back on the track, we will attempt to take the door out. If the door is hard to take out, you can use the screwdrivers to help you take it out. Now also make sure on the inside there is a screw. Make sure you loosen the screw so that the wheels become loose. And there you can see the hole right there. That hole has a screw in there. You can put in your screwdrivers and loosen up the screw. That will allow the door to come off easily. So that will basically adjust the wheel to go up and down, giving you more space to take out the door. Okay, so with your hand, just lift the door up. So grab on both sides and then lift it up. And once you lift it up, the door should come right out. Okay, so once you lift it up, the wheels will come off the track, as you can see right there. And on the other side, make sure it is also go off the track. If it doesn't come off, you can use the screwdrivers to help you lift up the door and get the wheels out. So just lift it up with the screwdrivers and that will help. As you can see, I can use the screwdrivers right there and lift up the door, and it will assist you in getting the wheel off the track. So on the other side is a screw, as you can see. You can see because of the screw, sometimes it can stop you from being able to pull the door out. So if you put the screws in here, and if we turn, so it's the other way around. And now to take the wheels out, just get a plier, or even this, you can push it out like this is, and that will come off. Or we can use a plier and pull out the wheels, and then we're just going to replace it with a new one. Okay, when it's time to go to the hardware store to get a new wheel track, make sure that you bring along the old one so that you can compare. Now as you can see, there are quite a number of different sizes that you could choose from, so always bring along the old one that you have, and so that you can get the right size for your door. Okay, so now it's time to put on the new wheel. So there it is. So I'm just going to push it right in, and you can see now it is running nice and smooth. Make sure that it fits, and after that we can put the other one in as well. So I got two wheels, one at the top and one at the bottom. So I got two wheels, two brand new wheels. After that we can put the door back in. So slip the door back into the right track. Just be gentle, don't force it. And if it doesn't go into the track, you can use the screwdrivers here and help to lift the door up a little bit. As you can see, just push it up a little bit to help push the wheel in. Do not force, as you can break the wheels. So just push it right in like so, and that's it. So you can see the door is now sliding smoothly and doesn't fall off the track. To make the door more secure, go to the inside and you can tighten the screws. That will force the wheels to stay on track. So at the top and at the bottom there are two screws. Just tighten the screws, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.